Welcome to the Burns Stanley Model Railroad Tour video. So we're going to start off here. So we have 4 lines running here on this railroad. We got line 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 is our largest line. It goes through this gray bridge and then loops around here to make in a rectangular fashion. On the way, we pass by a farm. Keeps on going past the billboards through this cute little metal tunnel. And then we have this paper mache mountain that was constructed in the 60s. So we have people climbing the mountain. This mountain does have trees. Dot's pet. Then we continue around the bend. We see a construction site. And then we have our train cars here. We got some box cars. And then 2 Santa Fe locomotives. Then we continue straight. And that rounds out our line number 1. Line number 2 is our second biggest. And again, another oval. Goes on the black middle bridge, which is also a trestle. Continues. This actually, though, does go up elevation-wise around the bend. Again, through the farm. And so yes, this is elevated several inches off the ground. Right here, you probably could actually fit another train going through. Goes over this construction site right next to this American Materials building, and then continues down. Right now on this track we have a like safety push car that small little fast unit, and then rounds back out here. Then we continue on. Our third line goes through this gray bridge, which is slightly different than the other 2. Continues, and then currently just loops around. But in the works, we have a large rail yard, and we were trying to engineer some way to connect back to this line, which has been proving to be a little difficult. We got some gas trucks, and then this actually goes underneath. There's a tunnel here. This is currently being powered by Northern Pacific Railroad locomotives. Then we have 4, actually 6, 7 tanker cars. We got Caterpillar, bulldozer, 2 tractor trailers, 2 tractors to haul those trailers, 3 actual tractors, a backhoe, another bulldozer, and then actually a helicopter. Our 4th one is our smallest line here. So this one is just this short little loop. This goes around the little town we have set up here, as you can see by the reduced speed signs. So this town has it's called Placerville. It has a school, an airport, some nice little neighborhood houses. Notice how we planted these trees. So just drilled a little hole, put some glue in there, you get trees. Then we have another residential house with a Jeep parked in front of it. Maintenance shed over there. Another house. Then we have this large 4-story police station. This has a helicopter which rotators rotate. Actually, we bought this at Menards along with our other silo over there. Has some police units out front as well as a military Jeep. And yeah, very cool set. You got an ambulance, a military vehicle, a news truck. Some telephone poles are scattered around here. Then we have another house identical to the one over there. Again, more. And then we have the Placerville Fire Department, equipped with fire trucks to fight the fires. Then we have the post office, Placerville Post Office. So always hopping. And then that rounds out our town. Other than, I forgot to mention, the train station, which we kind of created this unique loop around kind of, I guess, so the trains can access the train station on both sides. And that basically rounds out our wonderful train table.